give a brief show of what we did with the steam cleaning. We came through here and we pretty much did the 3-stage process through all this, as far as the heavy vacuuming, the pre-spray soil suspension process, and then we steamed it out. Not like a switch on that light bulb, we kind of turn it. And it's dark in here. But anyways, as you can see, the window is completely steamed up, so like you get some pretty hot water. Got this place all cleaned up. There are a couple little hairballs down there that would be vacuumed out, but we vacuumed up as much as we possibly could with our wand and our hose. And we did the same thing over here. We actually have light, and you can see it, and everything looks pretty beautiful. It looks like all the spots came up. However, actually this looks like it looks much better. There was some tea possibly spilled down here, or animal. If it was animal, the sodium carbonate would have annihilated it, but I still see a little bit, so I'm thinking it might be tea or something. I'll probably use like a stain one or something to post-treat that. Now, the next step is to get our stuff down the stairs. Pre-spray the stairs, scrub with a hand brush, which is basically the same as the mechanical agitation, except we're doing it by hand since it's on the stairways. It's a little bit more different. And then we will plug in a stair tool that is like a mini wand, but it's a little bit smaller than this. It's only about 3 feet long, I think. And then we will be able to clean the stairs here. So we've just pre-treated the stairways with a solution by sodium bicarbonate peroxide. And now we're going to go back and we're going to agitate it with a hand brush and then extract. And this is the tool we're going to be using to extract the stairs. It looks like a mini wand for cleaning carpets, except that it's angled at 90 degrees so that we can actually use it to clean the stairways with. And generally I always stand about 3 steps below, just 3-4 steps below, just so I can keep this wand at the right angle so it has maximum airflow going through it and suction. So that's that. We're going to go ahead and we'll start up there and work our way down. There's the final results right there. Now at the very bottom, always gets overspray. It always gets wet on the floor. So we got these towels from Home Depot that supposedly pick up 10 times as much water as normal towel size is able to absorb. Seems to do a pretty good job. So we just keep it down at the bottom and then wipe up our mess as we head on out.